Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Diana Ramirez
Nicolas Osoria
and Martin Recalde.
and today we're going to be presenting you our project for Modern Technologies 3D Dental Surgical Guide using photopolymer resin. Some of the motivation behind this project was to develop a dental tool to aid oral surgeons during surgery to facilitate the work by making it more accurate and more precise, which means less complications and ultimately making it more cost effective. To come up with our idea, we reached out to a few surgeons to find out what were some of the challenges they were facing when it came to dental implants. And they all agreed that guided surgery was one of the latest innovations that has helped them tremendously over the recent years, but it was quite an expensive procedure in the event of a single dental implant. About 3 million people in the US have dental implants, and another 500,000 implants are placed every year, according to the American Academy of Implant Dentistry. For this reason, we designed a 3D printed dental surgical guide using photopolymer resin, which is a highly biocompatible material, and a digital light processing 3D printer for a precise placement of the implant. With this project, we aim primarily to better an existing dental tool using photopolymer resin to achieve a much cheaper design capable of providing with great results at a significant lower cost and done at a fraction of the time it usually takes to be manufactured.
This project was divided in different steps. First, the process begins by collecting the anatomy of a patient's dentition using an intraoral scanner or a CBCT test. Second, from here, an exact 3D model is created that allows the surgeon to simulate the surgery in the computer and place the implant in the optimal position to minimize risks. Once these measurements are taken, a surgical guide is created as a template, which reproduces with total accuracy the position of the implants. The depth, angulation, and mesial-distal and buccolingual location of the implant's osteotomy are precisely controlled by titanium sleeves situated within the surgical guide. These templates serve as a guide to perforate the gum without making an incision, as it has holes located in the exact position where the implants need to be placed and allows to drill to the pre-established depth, which results in a minimally invasive surgery, without lifting the gum and avoiding stitches in most cases.
In conclusion, this product can be printed efficiently because the production of a surgical guide actually took us 1 hour and 45 minutes, which we consider it as efficient because the dental surgeon will just have then to expose the surgical guide to a curing UV chamber. In the other hand, prices in the market are actually attainable. They are currently oscillating around $250 for a 3D printer that can work with resin, and also the resin, which is the material we used, has the price of $230, which is actually something that can be attainable and achievable by the surgeons. Furthermore, we believe that these results clearly show and can tell us that this actually is a good idea to be applied on dental surgeons, not only because it will be efficient, price efficient and time efficient, but also because surgical guides are currently the most important way and the most reasonable way to do a surgery, because they are gonna keep the teeth surrounding the place of surgery safe, and also because the resin that we are using is biocompatible. This means that living tissue that is in the mouth of the patient. Finally, as a suggestion, we would suggest to keep developing and keep the research on new materials that can be applied on surgical tools and that are also biocompatible with the patient.